Page 11, line 9. It's the third line down. We don't have anything new. We're still using and practicing what we've learned, which is a nice relief because John Thompson really advances very quickly. They throw a lot of stuff at you, boom, boom, boom. So when they give you a chance to play something without adding anything new, it's kind of a, oh, finally. And so this is nice. We just got eighth notes all over the place. It looks ugly, but it's just 1N, 2N, 1N, 2N. So look at this right hand. You're here to start to put you here, so it's just 1N, 1N, 2N, 1N, 2N. That's a quarter note, huh? 1N, 2N, then the left hand takes over. And that's really all it is, just eighth notes. The left hand, when it comes in, you have second finger here, so it looks like we're back to middle C position again. That's all. So you go through and learn it. I don't have anything really to point out here because there's nothing new. It's 2/4 time, and you got eighth notes and quarter notes all over the place. So just keep it steady. How fast you go is up to you. You can go really slow. 1 and 2 and you can go a little quicker. 1 and 2 and 3. It's a personal thing, but whatever it is, it's got to be even and controlled, and the beat goes on. You can't hesitate the beat. If you're hesitating, then you don't know it yet. Slow it down and work on it until you can do it. Now, there's one little gotcha here you got to watch out for. I call them gotchas because they're tricky little things, and if you're not careful, they'll get you. So they're gotchas. And that is when you repeat it. The last note in the piece is a C in the left hand. The first note in the piece is a C in the right hand. It's the same C. Well, when you repeat it, you played that C in the left hand, get off of it quick. You gotta get off a little early so the right hand can have it to play its C here. Otherwise, the right hand, the hands fight and they get in the way and they don't get along, and it gets ugly. So get off of that so the right hand can have it when you repeat it. Now, when it's over and you're done, then you can hold that C out the full count, and that's what that's for. So let's try this together. I'll give us 4 counts. It is repeated. We'll play it twice, just to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. 1, 2, ready, and go, and 1. Now there's a duet for this too. I'd like to play that and you play this. I'm going to speed this up a little bit because we played it a little slow. Not going to go real fast, but just a little bit. So I'll give us 4 counts, and we are going to play it twice because it's repeated. 1, 2, ready, and go, and. Repeat.